Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to convert our related product section into slider using plugin in single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write related product for WooCommerce. So this is plugin related product for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see related products. So click on it. Now plugin setting open and then you see multiple options. We have working mode, show related product in cart, and then you see multiple option, and now you see number of product to display. Then so you can add number according to your requirement, and then you see slider width 100%. So you can add number of product to display according to your requirement, and then click on save changes. Now setting saved, go to single product page and refresh the page. Then scroll down, you see related product section in single product page. So we have 10 product. Now you see slider. So this related product slider only show ceramic category product. So we have 5 product in that category. Back to plugin setting. So you can do setting according to requirement, and then you see display related product from same category, same tag. So you can do setting according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.